Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to highlight error in Excel. So let's start. So here you can see I have a data. Simply select the entire column. So I just simply select here and press the Ctrl G and here go to dialog box is open. Then click on the spatial option and in spatial click on the constant option. After the click on the constant, here you can see there are some 4 options here showing. And here untick the option you don't want to highlight. So I just untick the number, text, okay, and logicals, and here I'm going to highlight only errors, okay. After the select error, just click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see only the error here selected. Then go to the Home tab in Font Group, click on the Field Color option, and here select the colors you want to highlight. So I select here the yellow, and that's it. Here you can see only the error is highlighted. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.